Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So how are you all? Hope you all are fine. So let me tell you, I am Chesta Cabra to the ones who are new to my channel, and today I am gonna share a presentation with you. I'm not gonna teach anything. This is just a journal information. So today's presentation will be based on employability skills. So what are basically employability skills? Employability skills are some skills required by every employee to work in a company and take the company to a higher position. It basically include communication skill, ICT skills, self-management skills, entrepreneurship skills, and green skills. In this presentation, I am going to share you with communication skills. So, communication skills are those skills which are needed to speak and write properly. A person who is able to speak appropriately whilst maintaining eye contact with the audience, use varied vocabulary and articulate speech to suit the need of the audience is generally said to be an effective speaker. The person who is aware about the interest of the audience, the things or the material which audience must be required or which must be providing the information to the audience, and also the one who can keep the continuous eye contact with the audience is said to be the effective speaker. Similarly, an effective writer should be able to use words in various style and technique to communicate his or her message and ideas to the reader. One should have the ability to listen carefully, write and speak clearly in any situation. Therefore, good reading, writing, speaking and listening skills are essential for effective communication. Now, importance of communication. Communication skills are need to inform, influence and express feelings. Inform. You may be required to give some facts or information to someone. For example, communicating the timetable of an exam to a friend. Then influence. You may be required to influence or exchange someone or change someone in an indirect way, usually important way. For example, negotiating with a shopkeeper to reduce the price or helping a friend to overcome stress due to exam or other reason. Then comes last, expressing feelings. Talking about your feelings is a healthy way to express them. For example, showing your excitement about doing well in your exams or sharing your feelings with your parents and friends is a very healthy way in which we can express our feelings to the person. Elements of communication. Communication basically have two elements. First is speaking and writing, and the second is reading and listening. Then comes 7 C's of communication. The 7 C's of communication comprises of clear, concise, current, correct, coherent, complete and courteous. These all 7 C's of communication are based on a common idea, that is, the provider of information or the speaker must be clear in giving the information. He must provide correct and complete information or facts to the audience. He must have concise or limited word and must be on the topic. Don't go out of the topic. Speak to the topic in a concise manner with clear, correct and complete information. Then comes type of communication. So there are basically three types of communication, that is non-verbal, verbal and visual communication. So non-verbal communication is the message we send to others without using any words. First is oral spoken communication, which involves talking. So sorry friends. Verbal communication is sharing of information by using words and it has two parts. First is oral or spoken communication, communication which involves talking, and second is written communication, communication which involves written or typed words. Then comes non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication is a message we send to others without using any words. Then type of non-verbal communication. It includes expression, posture, gesture, touch, space, paralanguage and eye contact. The last type of communication is visual communication. It involves sending and understanding message only through images or pictures. Thank you everyone. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, share and subscribe. Also don't forget commenting that how was your presentation. I'll be sharing you self-management skills and ICT skills in the next part. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Stay safe.